histogram. So first and foremost, we are given this, get my pointer out. You're given this equation. Okay, so lower bound plus number into category divided by number in category times class width. I'll go through every single thing or every single terminology in detail in the equation. So let me just go back to my pen. So it says over here, the first question, the histograms shows information about the time taken by 140 students to complete a puzzle. Okay, this is 140 students and it's taking them this much time to complete a puzzle. So this is the information we have. They are missing information I have for frequencies. It says complete the frequency table. Okay, so the second one, that's 10, and the second one over here, so 1 square has to be half. So 2 squares is 1.1, sorry. 2 squares is 0.1. Actually, sorry. 1 square is 0.1. So let's work it out. So that's going to be 2.1. 2.4. That's the distance of this one. When we do that on the calculator, we don't need a calculator, we can do 2.4 times 10, that's give us 24. The next one says 70 to 80. So this one over here, 70 to 80, that's 10. Actually, that's a mistake. It should be 20. 20 times this should give us 48. 48. Okay, so this one is 10. 10, and the height of this is 3.9. 3.9. So 10 times 3.9 gives us 39. Okay, so we complete the table and it says calculate the estimate of the median. Okay, so first and foremost, we need to understand what the lower bound is. Lower bound means the lower number. Okay, so it means the lower number in terms of these two. So lower bound are all of these numbers, okay, whichever category you go into. And the second thing is number into category. We have to find in how many numbers is it gone into the category. So we need to find the median number, which term frequency number it is. Okay, I'll explain that in a bit. And number into category is the total numbers within each category. Okay, so this is 4, 38, 33, 39, and 16. And class width, we know, is the difference between these two. Okay, so the first question says calculate estimate of median. We know that there are 140 students. To find the median number, we do 140 divided by 2. That's the 70th, is that what I say it? 70th number. Okay, so this number is 4. When you add on onto this one, this is the 52nd number, and so the 70th, which is the median number, should be in this category over here. Okay, this is the category. So how many does it go into over here? So 52. It would so this is 52. So for it to reach to onto the 70th figure of 70th, which is the median, we have to do 70 take away 52. That gives us 18. Okay, so it goes 18 frequency, the more frequency, it goes 18 into the category. Okay, so this is what we have to understand. It goes 18 into the category. So this is going to be 18. How many numbers are there within this category? Okay, number in the category, it's 33. Okay, what's the lower bound? The lower bound is the lower number over here, which is 60. And what is the class width? The class width is the difference between 60 and 70 is 10. So when we put that into a calculator, so let me just write this out in different color. So we got 60 plus 18 over 33 times 10. Okay, so let's work that on the calculator. We've got our calculator over here. We've got 60. You have to make sure we put the brackets in, and let's got the fractions. 18 over 33 times 2 times 10. Okay, let's put this into brackets just in case. Okay, so when we put this into brackets, we get the following answer, which is 65.5, we can say. So your median number is 65.5. So 65.5. Yeah, that's your median. Okay, so 65.5 seconds is the time which is we found out for the median. Okay, I hope that makes sense.